Hey fans, we are back with another mind-blowing episode. Make sure you watch the video till the end because the last fact will prove your teachers at school wrong. The first recorded sighting of Jupiter was by the ancient Babylonians in around 748 BC. It is named for Jupiter, the king of the Roman gods and god of the sky. The Greek equivalent is Zeus, god of thunder. For the Mesopotamians, he was the god Marduk and patron of the city of Babylon. Germanic tribes saw the planet as Donner, also known as Thor. When Galileo discovered the four moons of Jupiter in 1610, it was the first proof of celestial bodies orbiting something other than the Earth. The discovery also provided further evidence of Copernicus' sun-centered solar system model. Jupiter has a faint ring system around it. Its ring is mostly comprised of dust particles from some of Jupiter's moons during impacts from comets and asteroids. The ring system begins about 92,000 km above Jupiter's clouds and reaches more than 225,000 km from the planet. The rings are somewhere between 2,000 to 12,500 km thick. Jupiter has at least 67 moons in satellite around the planet. This includes the four large moons called the Galilean moons that were first discovered by Galileo Galilei. Jupiter has a very strong magnetic field. This is around 14 times stronger than the magnetic field found on Earth, the largest of any planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the fourth brightest object in the solar system. After the Sun, the Moon, and Venus, Jupiter is the brightest and is one of the 5 planets that can be seen by naked eye from Earth. Jupiter has a unique cloud layer. The upper atmosphere of the planet is divided into zones and cloud belts which are made of ammonia crystals, sulfur, and mixture of these two compounds. It is a gaseous planet. 9 spacecrafts have visited Jupiter so far. Those are Pioneer 10 and 11, Voyager 1 and 2, Galileo, Cassini, Ulysses, the New Horizons mission and NASA. There are also new plans for further missions to focus on the Jovian moons of Jupiter, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto and their possible subsurface oceans. Jupiter does not experience seasons like Mars and Earth. This is because the axis is only tidal by 3.13 degrees. Jupiter is the fastest spinning object in the solar system. When Jupiter formed, it accreted its atmosphere, over 95% of the planet's total mass, from the hydrogen and helium gas in the protoplanetary disk surrounding our Sun. As Jupiter ate up the gas mass, it must have begun to spin faster as it also ate up the gas's angular momentum. Finally, what you've all been waiting for. Jupiter doesn't technically orbit the Sun because it is so dauntingly massive. When a small object orbits a big object in space, the less massive one doesn't travel in a perfect circle around the larger one. Rather, both objects orbit a combined center of gravity.
Satellites.
You've ever wondered who the top 10 strongest countries in the world are? Well, that will be a story or our next episode.